I have a new, brand new, just out of the box, Shark PowerDetect. There it is there. Try to vacuum this ruggable rug. As you see, this happens. It pulls it up from the backing, which isn't any use. It also goes red, which means it's not working, the two lights at the front. No matter whether you've got it on carpet, whether you've got it on the auto detect or on the hard floor, it doesn't work. So that's not any use to anybody. It's going back. I'll show. Hear noise. You can see the carpet. Yeah, red.
Shark Hoover, right? What's so amazing about it is when you've got a bit of rubbish, it just doesn't pick any of it up. Still got a lot of shit everywhere.
I bought this Shark vacuum in November, and after 3-4 months it's not able to handle the hand grip and it broke from here. So it's not that strong, because vacuum should be so strong that it should handle the grip and the strength of the hand. But it came out, if you can see, the plastic is not strong enough and it was broken into pieces, and now the vacuum is of no use.
Hey guys, so Hoover's amazing, really good suction. I'm only making this video because I see a lot of people leave negative reviews saying that, oh, you can't leave it standing, it falls over. And yeah, it does fall over, but there's one nifty trick. If you look here, there's a lock mechanism. You press on it and it closes on itself there, and you can pack it away. Doesn't take that much space as well, so pretty handy.